Okay, we're going to do the order of operations here. Now, this is how you troubleshoot a furnace. One thing has to turn on and work properly for the next step. So, we turn the switch on here. We're going to see our board light up. Inducer motor, which is here, is going to be the first thing that's going to go. As long as that is working properly and has enough suction, it's going to close these pressure switches. This one here, and there's one in the back. So when those close, they're going to send power to our igniter up here, which you'll hear a click from the board. Which there it is. And the boards all have dip switches, which are little switches that you can actually make each process be 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, or to that sort. Now our igniter here, as long as this is not broken and 110 volts is going to go through that and back down, that's going to tell the board that the igniter is working properly, and once it gets hot enough, it's going to actually open our gas valve like that. And we actually, on our board here, we actually have where the lights can tell you, which is kind of hard to see, but the bottom one that just turned on says flame. So that's going to tell you. The next click is going to be our blower fan. The main blower is going to kick on once the furnace reaches a certain temperature. And that is a perfectly working Gibson furnace.